Ever feel like you need a personal assistant to handle all your tasks? Well, I might have just found one, and no, it's not a robot or a caffeine fueled intern. It's N8N. Stick around till the end to see if it's actually the automation wizard you've been looking for, or if it's just another tool collecting dust in your digital toolbox. So, what exactly is N8N? Think of it like a supercharged no code workflow automation tool. It lets you connect apps and automate repetitive tasks without needing to write a single line of code. Sounds like magic, right? Well, here's the deal. First off, the interface is super intuitive. Drag, drop, and boom. Your workflows are live. Whether you're automating emails, sending data between platforms, or syncing cloud storage, N8N gets it done. But here's the kicker, it's open source. That means you're not just paying for access to a tool. You're actually part of a community where people are constantly adding new features. That's pretty sweet. Now let's talk pros. If you've been using automation tools like Zapier or Integromat, N8N is a game changer. It's free to use and offers way more flexibility. Plus, it supports over 200 apps and services right out of the box. No need to worry about integrations. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and honestly, it saved me hours of manual work. The learning curve isn't as steep as you might think, but there's still enough depth for pros who want to go deep with their automations. Now, it's not perfect. It does have a slightly steeper learning curve than simpler tools, and if you're just starting with automation, it might take some time to get used to. Also, while the community is great, sometimes you're left searching for answers in forums instead of having direct support. Bottom line, N8N is one of the best automation tools out there, especially if you're looking for something robust, flexible, and free. But like anything, it's not for everyone. If you're looking to jump into automation without much fuss, there might be easier tools to use. But if you're ready to dive deep and truly unlock your workflow potential, N8N could be your new best friend. Want to dive deeper into N8N? Or maybe you've used it yourself and have thoughts to share? Drop them in the comments below, and if you like this review, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk on the tools you actually need.